What is up, YouTube? I did find the whole set of the Ninja Turtles Hot Wheels monster trucks. So we got Michelangelo, we got Crane, which is pretty awesome. Really like these cars. And then we got Raphael, and Donatello, and then we got Leonardo. So a really awesome set. I was pretty excited that I found all five. So yeah, just a quick vid. I probably won't open these. I think once my basement's done, I'll probably just display them with the hooks. But yeah, just a quick vid that I found all five. Let me know what you guys think, and we'll see you next vid. Peace.